There's hot air associated with the idea that the really smelly compounds from food waste compost facilities can travel long distances. We can explain. Firstly, hot air from the compost pile goes up into the atmosphere because it's lighter than cold air. Secondly, the hot air leaving the compost process is loaded with moisture, which further makes it lighter than the cooler, drier air. We can see this moist air rising. Thirdly, odor compounds are somewhat soluble in water, so they rise with the hot, moist air leaving the compost pile. We've measured this by smelling the air over compost facilities and by measuring some of the specific compounds in that hot air. Depending on how the air moves, the temperature gradients, and the chemistry of the air, eventually these odor compounds, which are heavier than air, will fall towards the ground where we can smell them. Odor from food waste compost facilities that are anaerobic is unique and very different from farm smells or smells from other industries. Odors from farms are usually not associated with hot, moist air rising into the atmosphere like we see at compost facilities, which means that generally compost smells may travel much further than farm smells. Basic physical chemistry explains why we may not smell the same intensity of odor at the compost facility and yet smell them strongly some distance away. In the next video, we will address the pH dependence of some of these odor compounds like butyric and valeric acids, and how this impacts what and where we smell. My name is John Paul. I'm a waste management scientist. Thank you.